Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haryanto from Department of Electrical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Trunojoyo Madura. I will present my research entitled Smart Monitoring System for corn cultivation based on Internet of Things (IoT). Introduction. The supply of corn in Indonesia is very important, one of which is for animal feed and for human consumption. How important is corn farming? So we must strive to improve the quality and quantity of the harvest. The application of IoT is very helpful when applied in agriculture and plantation. The technology used today is still manual, and to know the temperature, humidity, and light intensity. Internet of Things technology is growing rapidly and has been applied in several fields. Smart monitoring system for corn cultivation based Internet of Things. The purpose of this research propose a solution by designing smart farming on Internet of Things (IoT) based corn farming so that it can support corn farming technology in era 4.0. The variable to be monitored are air temperature variable, soil acidity or pH, and the intensity of sunlight. If this variable are well controlled, it is expected to increase farmer productivity and increase the quantity and quality of crop yield. Method, research stage. The state of this research are system design implementation, testing per unit, revision of testing per unit, testing for integrated system, improvement based on the result for integrated system, and evaluation. The research design is divided into namely hardware, software, IoT, and integrated system design. The hardware design consists of three sensors, namely soil acidity sensor, temperature sensor, and light intensity sensor. The sensor is according to the variable needs of corn plants. The hardware design is a temperature sensor, a soil moisture sensor, and a light intensity sensor connected to Raspberry. Then the data will be sent to the server via the internet. On farmer can access temperature, soil moisture, and light intensity through their cell phone or laptop by accessing the address that has been created. In this picture, the sensor connect to Raspberry Pi and connect to internet. Let's connect to monitor HP or handphone or laptop. Result and discussion, temperature measurement result. The system has been implemented according to the design, and the next stage is testing each sensor. GL 5528 LTR, CDS lag sensor, GS 18B20 sensor, and Behind metal detection, detector sensor are connected to Raspberry. Offline test result, sensor value observed in the field can be monitored properly. The result of temperature measurement in the morning, afternoon, and evening show different results. In the morning, the measurement results are between 24 derajat Celsius to 28 derajat Celsius. During the day, it is between 30 derajat Celsius to 35 derajat Celsius, and in the afternoon, the temperature is between 29 derajat Celsius and 30 derajat Celsius. The experiment one system measurement. The intensity of light in the morning, afternoon, and evening produce different results. In the morning, the measurement of light intensity was obtained from 3000 lux to 4050 lux. During the day, 1970 lux to 2200 lux. Well, in the afternoon, it ranged from 9 and 60 lux to 1000 lux. The measurement result produced by the system and reference measuring device are not exactly the same, but are still within tolerance limit. Measurement soil acidity, measurement result. Measurement of soil acidity is different from the measurement of temperature and light intensity. The result obtained show that morning, afternoon, and night conditions do not really have an impact on the measurement result. The difference in temperature measurement between the result of the system temperature measurement and the instrument that is used as a reference. The value of the difference between the measurement result of the system temperature and the instrument used as a reference is depicted in figure 5. This difference is in derajat Celsius. The maximum difference in this system is 3 derajat Celsius. This is because the system takes time to stabilize when the temperature measurement start. The difference between the measurement of soil acidity or pH between the result of the system temperature measurement and the instrument that is used as a reference. The value of the difference between the measurement result of the system temperature and the instrument used as a reference is depicted in figure 5. This difference is in derajat Celsius. The maximum difference in the system is 3 derajat Celsius. This is because the system takes time to stabilize when the temperature measurement start. The difference in the intensity of light lux measurement between the system temperature measurement result and the instrument used as a reference. The maximum difference occurs when daily measurements are made at 9 to 15 seconds, where the difference in light intensity is 50 lux. Even so, this difference is still within tolerance limit and is still feasible to use. Testing results by integrated hardware and IoT system have been carried out well, and user can access measurement results through the gadget of laptop. With this research, it is hoped that farmer can more intensively monitor the variable needed by corn plant anywhere and anytime without having to visit to the location. In addition, the system is equipped with a warning system in if the value of the variable doesn't match the provision or ideal condition that shall be the optimal temperature for corn plant is 21 derajat Celsius to 34 derajat Celsius, and the harvesting process would be better or recommended when it done in the dry season. When the ideal soil acidity for pH is 5 to 5.5 to 7.5. If the soil pH is less than 5 to 5.5, then farmer must take action to get the ideal pH, including the intensity of fertilizer application and dosage. Sometimes farmer only estimate how much fertilizer in given, including the duration of fertilizer application. With the system, farmer can provide fertilizer according to or close to the needs needed by corn farmers. The sunlight needed must also be adjusted to suit the growth of the corn. The advantage of the system is that if the variable value does not match the ideal condition, it will provide a warning in the form of sun so that farmer can immediately take appropriate action according to the cause. With this action, it is hoped that the harvest will have good quality and can anticipate crop value. Conclusion: the smart monitoring system for corn cultivation based on Internet of Things system has been implemented. Based on the result obtained, the measurement result of the air temperature variable, soil acidity or pH, and the intensity of sunlight can be monitored properly. In addition, the measurement results have been compared with the reference measurement instrument and obtained good result. The result of system integration between hardware and IoT system have been going well, and user can access measurement result through gadget or laptop. The system has the advantage that if the variable value does not match ideal condition, it provides a warning in the form of sun so that farmer can immediately take appropriate action according to the cause. In addition, the action can be in accordance with the dose and time of administration according to the need of the corn plant. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.